New boy. Ghost Recon Breakpoint. Is that what it is?
Yes.
Unoptimized or hard to run?
Neither. Ghost Recon Breakpoint runs just fine on a GTX 1060 6GB card at 1080p high detail, 60 frames per second. RX 580 8GB card, 1080p high detail, 60 frames per second. I've seen a lot of people say, oh, that's just an unoptimized mess. No, Assassin's Creed Odyssey is an unoptimized mess. Ghost Recon Breakpoint's fine. You know what Ghost Recon Breakpoint really wants?
What?
CPU power. People, I think, well, it's not that it's an unoptimized mess. It's that it's a complicated open world with a lot of stuff going on.
Okay.
And that requires a lot of CPU power. I would rather have either an i9 9900K or a Ryzen 7 3700X. Pick one. I don't care. Either one would be fine.
Right.
8-core, 16-thread of modern performance.
Okay.
And a GTX 1060. Then a 4-core, 8-thread chip and all the video card. Because a i7 7700K, which is the best 4-core 8-thread chip Intel ever made for that, at 5 gigahertz is still going to have a lot of microstutters, even with an RTX 2080 Ti. You don't have enough CPU. That's not unoptimized. That's like saying, well, why don't modern games run on a single-core chip? They must be unoptimized. The world has changed.
The world's moved on.
And how many times have we heard, oh, well, 8 cores are unnecessary for gaming?
Oh, a lot. Yeah, but aren't some games GPU bound and some games are CPU and it's just knowing what's what?
Yes, that's absolutely true. But the future of gaming and the future of demanding gaming is 8+ cores.
Yes.
I continue to cover and talk about 6-core chips because the audience demands it.
Right.
There is a market. I mean, if you're only what our kids do.
Yeah.
Fortnite, Sims, Roblox.
Esports. It's non-demanding games.
Junior Deals has been playing Terraria again recently.
Yep,
do you think that needs 8 cores? No. That doesn't even need 6. Come on. So those kinds of games are fine. But if you want to play Cyberpunk 2077, if you want to play the next Tomb Raider game, if you want to play 64-player, actually, I heard that they're going to up the player count. There's going to be 100 versus 100 in Call of Duty. 200 players.
Oh, 200?
Yeah, that'll work great on a 4-core chip. Bring on the Ryzen 9. Yeah, there's still going to be a place for 4 and 6-core chips for certain types of games.
Yep.
And then there's going to be others where it's bring on the 12 and 16-core chips. Mm-hmm.